Have you ever quit a job and then stared at the ceiling thinking, okay, what now? That mix of freedom, fear, and I should probably do something hits hard. Let's break down exactly what to do after you walk away from a 9 to 5. Leaving a job, whether by choice or not, is one of the most transformational moments in a career. It's a fork in the road, and what you do next can either level you up or leave you stuck. So, let's talk about how to turn this transition into a launch pad. So, you've quit. No more emails, meetings, or clock-ins. But now, the quiet sets in, and with it comes the big three. Uncertainty. What if this was a mistake? Fear of the unknown. What if you don't land another job? And financial stress. How long can your savings last? And the kicker. Everyone around you is asking, what's next? Even if you had solid reasons for quitting, that question still stings. You start scrolling job boards, you overthink, you panic apply, and without a clear direction, it's easy to spiral. But here's the truth, this is normal, and there's a way forward. Here's your blueprint for what to do next. First, update your resume and your online presence. Your LinkedIn is your digital storefront, make sure it's open for business. Second, reflect and reconnect. What do you actually want now? Reach out to former coworkers, mentors, and friends. Most people find their next move through conversations, not applications. Third, explore freelance or contract work. Don't wait for the perfect job, start small gigs, offer your skills, build momentum and income while you figure out the next big step. Fourth, consider a career pivot. This might be your moment to change lanes, learn a new skill, explore a different industry, or finally try that side hustle. Let me tell you a quick story. A friend of mine, Sarah, quit her corporate job after years of burnout. No backup plan, just the drive to find something better. She spent the first month panicking, but then she started freelancing, offering writing services to startups. 3 months in, she was making more than before, but more importantly, she was finally living on her terms. The point? Quitting isn't the end, it's the beginning, if you're willing to build forward. So, if you've just quit, or you're thinking about it, know this. Yes, it's scary, but it's also an open door. Update your tools, connect with people, start small, and explore what's next without fear. Have you ever quit a job? What did you do next? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you want more real talk about career change, check out the next video on how to pivot with confidence. You got this.